Alright guys, as you see, finally got the tarp up and everything. The floor is cleaned off, so I'm back to my nice floor. Minus all the scratches it's got over all the time of working on stuff. But yeah, so we got the engine pushed over to the side with the transmission. Now we just gotta grab the truck and get it turned around and backed in here. And then we're gonna go ahead and try to set it down in the frame and see how it looks. Then we can start buttoning up things from there. All right, so we got it on in the shop now. I'm having Dalton Farman come over, so I'm waiting on him now because he's gonna help me because I'm probably gonna have to lay underneath the truck to line up the transmission on the cross member to get it over in place. And he probably will handle the engine hoist and getting it squared away. And then we're gonna try to set it down on these mounts and get it bolted in. And then we're gonna go ahead and start buttoning up the other stuff like the headers and everything else. And probably go ahead and put the intake manifold on it and that stuff. And then the only thing that'd be left would be the wire and then putting the body and stuff back around it and try to test fire it up and see if she'll run and do a little bit of changes on the tune and stuff for going back to stock and take her out on the road and make sure everything's good, no leaks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait on him to get here, and then next you'll see we'll be trying to locate and set it in the engine bay. That actually looks funny as shit on here with that damn wide camera I got. It actually looks funny as hell.
Not gonna make the video.
Look at his face. When he... Yeah, I'm gonna do it to you so you can see. Watch it, watch his nose.
Probably see that.
It like stretches out the nose because that fisheye style camera.
Probably seen all my damn boogers in my nose right now.
gives you
That video we're gonna be
oh yeah. Gives you a Jew nose. Oh, I might get demonetized or something or canceled on YouTube now for that one.
He said Jew.
He's making fun of Jews.
Yeah, I'm gonna find a little Jew now.
But no guys, I got Cody Big Fat Griffith here and I got Dalton Farman. They're gonna be giving me a hand to get this motor slapped in. So we're gonna go ahead and get to work on this truck and get this thing going. So guys, I'm gonna set y'all to the side and we're gonna start working.
Jacket's wrong, jacket.
Y'all probably should have said, well, get the engine jacked up first before we come over.
Yeah.
All right, so now it's the next day. I want to give a shout out to Dalton Farman and Cody Griffith just for coming over, helping me with that. They helped me go ahead and get the motor set in, lined up, as well as get the headers started on there because I had to hold them up from the bottom while somebody started to bolt at the top. But then we did hit the issue. I didn't have new intake manifold gaskets and I didn't want to reuse the old ones. So that put us on the hold up because I gotta get the intake manifold on before I can lay the harness on and put the fuel lines and everything on to get the wiring done. So I went this morning, went ahead and got the intake manifold gasket and everything for it. So we're gonna go ahead and slap intake manifold and stuff on it now. And then we can continue on with getting the fuel lines and all that stuff hooked up. And that'll pretty much be the wrap up on this one. I'm probably gonna do most of the wiring off video because I'll probably be up underneath the dash and stuff a lot. You won't be able to really see me do much other than just hook up a couple connectors. So I'm probably gonna handle most of that off camera. And then when we get ready for the first start, we'll get back with you in the next video. So let me go ahead and continue on and get this wrapped up. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap up this portion of the video. So I got the fuel system and everything hooked up, intake manifold on, exhaust headers on, and that stuff. I've topped off the oil in there and everything else. Mostly the rest is gonna be wiring, which I'm not gonna really get a lot on footage because I'm gonna be figuring it out as I go. But yeah, so that's gonna cover us just getting the motor in there, getting it situated and where it needs to be. Guys, as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Probably the next video you'll see will be when I try to first fire it up. All right, guys, have a good one. All right, guys, so we got the Frost Garage gear in. So I am wearing the sweatshirt now with the Rat Rod logo. We got the Silverado logo on the sweatshirts. We got the laptop backpack for carrying a laptop to the track or whatever else you need to carry your laptop for. We got t-shirts. We also got thermoses, coffee mugs, and a bunch of other products. So if you want to go down below, check out the different apparel and accessories we have and get you something nice. Don't forget to check out too to hit the redeem coupon. There's always different coupon codes running, anything from free shipping all the way up to 25% off depending on the time of the year or the holiday. All right, guys, thank you.